I am missing work because of my lost wages. How will I be compensated? All right, so that's our job. All right, as a lawyer, here's what we do. We have a particular form that we give you. It's called the lost wages form, and it's a verification of your wages. So there is a particular form that the insurance company wants to have filled out. We have you fill that out. We ask you to give that to your supervisor or whoever is in management or someone in personnel. They fill it out, they document your lost wages, and we submit that to the insurance company. And that's how it's done. But more importantly, here's what you want to do. In order to be compensated, you can't be compensated just because you didn't feel like going to work, or it was too far, or maybe you were sore, or maybe you were hurting, or maybe you had a headache. The way to be compensated for time you missed from work is to have your doctor say that you were disabled and you could not work. Unless that happens, no matter what we do, no matter how much we document, we won't be able to get you compensated for your wages. So it's your job to ensure that there is documentation in your medical records saying that you could not work during the time that you missed. And that's how you ensure that you will be compensated for your wages. So if you're self-employed, or you drive Uber or Lyft, or you don't have an employer, you're an independent contractor, there are other ways that we can prove your lost wages. Mainly, there's some additional documentation other than you just saying that you missed that time from work. We have various ways to prove that. One would be your tax returns. We could submit your tax returns to show that this is the amount of money that you made during the year. So if, say, you were off for 3 weeks, we would just take whatever you made the year before and average out that and ask for 3 weeks of lost wages based on your previous salary. So those are the ways that we document your case in terms of lost wages if you're an independent contractor. If it comes down to it, and we absolutely cannot prove your wages by your income tax returns or your statements from your clients, what we can do is use bank statements as the last resort. We try not to do that because it's a little intrusive to look into your life in that way, to look at how you're spending your money and what's coming in and out. We don't like to do that, but if we have to do that and if it's that important, we will.